Welcome, everybody. It's Mike Klingler. Uh, a lot of you might not have caught what we're doing, and I wanted to put this out there real quick. This is a short intro. I'm building my team. A lot of you know I'm a crazy, focused, high intensity team builder. And if you've been in the networking industry before, you understand there's huge advantages to being up close and working with somebody who works as hard and is focused and has the experience that I do. And so this is really a message for those of you who've been in networking before. You have some experience, you understand the concept of team building, the concept of leverage. I don't want to have to sell or convince you on that idea if you're going to work closely with me. I have moved into a much safer way to build crypto where you hold your cryptocurrency. No organization holds it for us. We do expect some really good news out for USI, for those of you who are in USI. But I'm waiting and seeing on that. I put out a video on that the other day. Hopefully we'll see, our capital back. We'll see that withdraw button back in the US and Canada and have it be issued faster around the world. Let's see. I'm focused now on what I can do moving forward in seizing this opportunity. Man, you cannot get knocked off your horse that easy. You cannot. And I simply will not. I miss the internet boom. And if you're like me and you're like, no more will I miss these once in a lifetime, I guess it would be twice in a lifetime opportunities, these very rare opportunities like the internet boom. If you're like me in that way, then you're going to get back on your horse. And what I'm saying is, I'm going to work my butt off for those that are a part of my team. I mean, harder and more focused with more intensity than I have ever before. For those that have been in the networking industry before, you understand the benefit of that. And this company I'm with now, CWE, Crypto World Evolution, which is an Autobot trading software, we control our cryptocurrency. You control your cryptocurrency. No one's holding it, so they can't do any shenanigans. And we're building it with the Autobot. It's an excellent introduction into trading, which I really didn't enjoy doing before until I had this. The video below shares more of that with you. I want to emphasize before we move into all of that and how you will benefit if you come in early. I mean, again, let's be honest, like it doesn't matter if you're on, some very highly focused business builders team, if you're joining 20, 30, 40, 50 levels down in the leadership and the binary, that might work. But, if the organization's really, really built. So I'm really encouraging you, if you understand what's going on with the networking industry and you know who I am and how hard I work and how big of a results I can get in marketing and business, then definitely watch the video below, because I'm only going to be offering this. I mean, between just a couple of days until the 21st of February, I need to have met with you and gotten your questions answered by then. I have some really big incentives beyond what I'm willing to share here publicly for those who connect with me between now and the 21st and end up joining the team. So if you understand what I'm talking about and you've been in networking before and you're interested in working with somebody with the intensity and focus and experience that I have that can create the results and momentum that I have with my marketing and just with my work ethic, then definitely watch the video below. You see the slide up, no more risky business. Again, the reason why I'm enthusiastic about what we're doing with CWE and the Autobot software is we're not giving our cryptocurrency to another organization who can do shenanigans. That era is over. I took some big risks there, and hopefully we'll get some good news on USI, but I'm not waiting around for that. And I don't believe in that, but let's see what comes out this week. But in the meantime, we're going to do some serious team building. Here's the formation of my team so far. And it does go deeper than that, but that's because other people but these aren't all my personal. I'm not working personally with all these people, but it does benefit us, and they have these awesome leadership bonuses that I want to go over with you when we meet. I actually talk about this in a lot more detail in the other video, along with the Autobot and everything else. But I just want you to understand that the way that this is structured, it's a much more comprehensive plan than anything I've worked with in the last few years. This reminds me of a plan that I did about 15, 20 years ago. And it's awesome for incentivizing someone like me to help people get a leg up, to help people get momentum, to help people get volume, and actually place people to help you get that volume. So if you want to understand all that and you understand what I'm talking about, with these different levels of leadership, incentivization for me to work with you hands-on, but also the binary, the first one that I showed you, the first slide, where it benefits me to drive volume underneath you. If you want to kind of understand any of that and have experience in networking, check it out. I'm going to be launching my system very soon, and I just wanted to reach out to those in my list before I do that. I was going to launch it tomorrow, but the company just is updating the site. Now they're kind of changing a few things about how we enroll people, which I like very much. And they're coming out with some new marketing tools. So I'm going to delay this a little bit to see what they come out with this week. But I've kind of come out with my system, and a lot of you know who followed me, you know that my marketing systems work. So if you want to be a part of that momentum and get in front of this, learn about the Autobot crypto trading software in the video below, learn about the team building, and consider connecting up with me. Just email me back and let me know you want to connect. We need to meet by the 21st, so I'll need to schedule that with you. Watch the video below, and let's connect. I mean, I am looking for people that really want to change things quickly around. I understand that some of the opportunities in the cryptocurrency industry have knocked people on their butt, myself included, but you do not let that stop you. I mean, you got to understand, like, everything I ever did where I got to the top of the mountain, so to speak, like, for me in the internet marketing world, that was in 2009 with the $1 million a day launch, where we launched and we brought in $1 million that first day. That was years of working towards that goal. And then all of a sudden it looked like we had arrived. Like, because of the experience, because of that experience, because of so much business and marketing experience that I've had, I'm able to accelerate how long it takes me to learn how to get to the top of a mountaintop. But 5 months ago today was, basically the beginning of my cryptocurrency journey. There's going to be bumps in the road. There's going to be challenges. Again, hopefully we hear some good news from USI this week, but regardless, I learned from that, and then I keep going up the mountaintop. Those who understand how that works understand why there's never a mountaintop I didn't reach, but that as you're going up, it's very common. In fact, I've never heard of a very big epic success story that didn't start out with a lot of bumps and knocks. In fact, the bigger the struggle early on, the bigger the reward for people that keep going. I mean, that's not me saying that. That's every personal and business development book that that's ever been written. So if you understand, that's who I want to surround myself with. If you understand all of that and you're ready to get back up on your horse and keep going, and nail this in the cryptocurrency market and work with somebody with the level of intensity, energy, and focus and marketing skills that I have before I launch the major marketing system, and you want to be able to be in early enough that you get to work with me directly, if you understand the potential benefit of that, watch the video below and reach out to me right away. Let's schedule to meet this week. And I've got some additional incentives, things that I've never done before because of the level of intensity, focus, and just the motivation, personal reasons that many of you understand why I must accomplish extraordinary goals very quickly. And in order to do that, I need to take a lot of people with me. So again, this is very different than what we've been doing, what I've been doing over the last few months. The risks are significantly minimized, by calculated design. I'm not going to be doing any more high-risk businesses. And I've done that because I need to ensure success. For those that want to be around that kind of focus and that kind of tenacity, and with my experience, watch the video below, reach out to me, and let's connect. I'll talk to you soon.